You're kidding.
It takes a lot of milk to make ricotta.
Leerdammer, Finlandia, Camembert, Brie,
Montgomery cheddar,
soft cheese, hard cheese,
Camemberts,
mozzarella, ricotta.
oh my God, every
ricotta
stinky
salata,
cheese.
goat
Wash,
cheese,
something with a wash dry.
anything easy.
Even a double cream will do.
Wow, we're really gonna find out who's lactose intolerant, aren't we?
What was the inspiration behind this dish?
Pure panic.
You know, Nick, let's just throw New York City's best cook-off ever. Oh, that's a great idea, let's do it. And we got together and we drank a gallon of beer, and on the last sip, that's where we came up with our first experiment.
I believe it's an ego-driven sport. I mean, it is about getting your name out there. It is about the glory. It's about going home with the prize. And you know what? That cash in your pocket feels oh so good.
What gives you the energy to get up at 8 a.m. this morning to come and start cooking for 300 people?
I think some people would argue mental insanity.
Some plastic containers to package the food in, a ladle for my soup.
My approach is very much like whatever's tasty.
A little finesse, a little subtlety.
What's it going to be called? Your dish.
The lasagna cheesorama.
Call the big deal. And it is a big deal because I got 4 cheeses.
Vegetarian tomato sauce, made with love. Noodles, homemade ricotta, mozzarella, fontina bechamel, and Parmigiano Reggiano.
Got spicy crackers with Parmigiano, Piave, and provolone cheese with some cayenne pepper. And then I have cold tomato, ricotta, and basil soup.
Ricotta cheesecake with sea salt dulce de leche.
Near poppers.
Gonna righteous cheesesteak.
Prospector.
Balsamic enchiladas.
Beta beer, Indian pale ale.
Pissaladier eclairs.
A 3-cheese slider.
Propeller pale ale.
The Gruyere cheese puffs.
Arabic cheese pastry.
The DJ's Dunkelweizen.
Pumpkin white cheddar macaroni and cheese.
It's like an Italian type of polenta sushi.
I don't want someone to experiment and like be like, hey, I think saffron and dung is like a great combo. No, it's not.
This
you know,
is the food experiment.
yeah. It is.
I want people to experiment as well.
Yes, I mean, believe me, I want them to experiment, but at the end of the day, you want them to make cold fusion. You don't want them to make, like, you know, an atomic bomb.
All is fair in love, war, and food cook-offs. You have to like to cook first. You have to have a competitive spirit. And the tongue responds very well to salt and butter.
And a personal lack for your own well-being.
Would I eat it again? Would I go out and pay money for it?
Taste, you know, and how cheese is being used.
Clean, well executed. You're always looking for complexity, but also harmony.
Which one actually highlights the cheese the best?
You win and leave.
Yeah.
You win and love them and leave them.
Didn't really win anything, but enjoyed myself.
You don't care about winning. It's just you like doing it.
Well, you know, you win some, you lose some, so I'm looking forward to the next one.
It's just the fun of doing it, yeah.
Do you think you'll come and do the, I think the next one is the Chinese food
But
experiment?
I'm all over it. Chinese, I'm there.
I may just be a spectator, but egg is definitely one of my favorite foods, so you may see me at the egg experiment.
The coffee experiment, I can only imagine who will come.
Thank you to all the chefs. Thank you to all the home brewers. Have a wonderful day. Good night.